What's up, guys? I got another one for you today. It's the Z8. This thing, this box flyer, looks like a toy. It is, but you know what? It has a really neat feature. Extra wide field of view. Now, typically I do not like flying Wi-Fi drones, FPV, but this thing is so wide, it's actually easy to fly. Plus, with this cage design, it bounces off of things, bounces off of walls, and it keeps going. All of that for under 40 bucks. How wide is the field of view? We measured it to be 126 degrees. That's wider than my GoPro in wide mode, which is 122 degrees. That's impressive. Now, you may have seen this thing before. This is one of my favorite drones for kids. This is basically the larger version of this little box flyer, right? I like this one because kids can't get their fingers in. You could with this, so, you know, again, think about your audience. Now, other things about this that I really like, it's got a 2 megapixel camera, which is nice, and the angle of that camera is adjustable all the way so they can point straight down. So if you want to do straight shots up, you can. It does have altitude hold, which makes it really stable. It is not super fast, right? This cage design doesn't allow it to be very fast, but again, it's pretty durable. Altitude hold is a nice feature. Not really something you typically fly FPV, but actually makes it a lot easier to do so. What else does it have? Push button flips, headless mode. Probably has a return to home feature that we wouldn't recommend using. A lot of them do, none of them work. Let's get it in the air.
All right, so we're going to start with some flight of the Z8, and then we're going to sneak into some FPV, starting with some flips, go through the messy basement here, flying FPV and the ultra-wide field of view, and then stick around for the awesome finish. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out on halfchrome.com.